BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Microsoft is once again pushing out the update KB4023057, which is an update they do push out on a regular basis, as I have posted previously on this channel. And what it does is it basically improves the reliability of the Windows Update service components on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. And I have seen and heard of reports already, even on this channel, that in some regions the update has already become available for this year, January 2023. But just letting you know that in the overnight updates to my Windows 10 and Windows 11 devices, that I did receive the update, so it is now becoming more widely available for January 2023. And the update is KB4023057, and it's a very small update and really only takes a couple of seconds, if not a minute or two, depending on your hardware, to download and install. And it's an automatic, compulsory automatic update, so it will be downloaded and installed automatically. And just on a side note, you cannot uninstall this update 4023057. There is no option to uninstall the update, so just take note of that. Now, basically, the update addresses issues that affect the update processes in Windows 10 and Windows 11 that may prevent important Windows updates and feature updates from being installed onto your system. So that's what the update is all about, and that's what it does. Now, another thing the update actually does, if we head over to our apps and features list, installed apps, as I have posted previously, if we just head down here, it installs a little update health tool. And if we just find that quickly, Microsoft Update Health Tool, there we go. Microsoft Update Health Tools, which is a very small tool, 1.02 megabytes in size. And what this tool will do, because as mentioned, this is basically an update that helps to improve the reliability of the Windows Update service components. So if you have a couple of issues on your system, what this tool will try to do, it may try to reset network settings if problems are detected, and it will clean up registry keys that may be preventing updates from being installed successfully. It also may repair disabled or corrupted Windows operating system components. It also may try to compress files in your user profile directory to help free up enough disk space to install important updates. And it also may reset the Windows Update database to repair the problems that could prevent updates from installing successfully. So basically, as I mentioned, it addresses issues that affect the update processes in Windows 10 and Windows 11 that may prevent, if there are any issues on your system, that may prevent important Windows updates and feature updates from being downloaded and installed. So that's what the update is all about. KB4023057 now becoming more widely available. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.